In this lesson, we're going to start exploring something important: musical keys. If you've been following along, you've already seen the natural notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. These 7 notes make up the key of C major. A musical key is like a map. It helps guide you toward chords and notes that naturally sound good together. So instead of guessing or using trial and error, you're playing with intention. That doesn't mean you're stuck inside the key. You can play notes outside of it, but when you do, it's a choice, not an accident. Later in the course, we'll dive deeper into how keys are built, using a pattern of whole steps and half steps. This formula creates all the major scales, and it'll give you a solid understanding of how different keys work. For now, let's stay focused on the key of C major. This key is made up of all natural notes, no sharps and no flats. Here's what it looks like: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now compare that to a couple other keys. In the key of E, the notes are E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp. In the key of F, we have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E. Each key will follow the same pattern of whole and half steps. We'll explore that soon. For now, just take a look at those examples and see if you can spot the pattern.
So the whole idea here is to introduce keys to you. If you don't, you're confused at these patterns, what they are, what am I looking for, why am I, you're keep an eye on the half steps and whole steps. That's a little hint. That's what you really want to focus on. But if you're just totally confused, you don't know what's going on, don't worry about it. We're going to finish, you're going to work on that a little bit later on, so you'll fully understand it then. Yeah, in the meantime, if you have any questions, then yeah, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.